All right, ladies and gentlemen, bros and sisters. So, no introduction we need today. So, this is the start of the final episode of the Recolors, HW Recolors. And on the on the right wing, we have McLaren P1 in light blue color. And on the left side, we have the McLaren P1 in red color. So, alright. Two interesting facts about these cars I will be revealing today, and let's get started. So this is the last episode and I want to do it right, so let's do justice to the knife. Also, these are from the HW Quarter Mile Heroes series. You can see it here. If not, you can see it now. So this one was in the previous case and this one is in the newer cases. I think the Q case or the P case. I'm tired of the cases, man. Like, which case, what happened, what didn't come, what is not coming here. Okay, this is the act of ruthlessness, clearly, but I love it. You can please judge me and feel free to judge me in the comment section. And also, while you're at it, let me know which one is your favorite color from these two. So let's start with this one. So this has the ESP 10 wheels, that is exotic 10 spoke wheels. Cool name, right? I love it as well. So we have the base. Oof, shit. So this is the most plain and uninteresting base I've ever seen on such a cool car. Okay, no livery on the side, but look at the silhouette. Ooh, so much sexiness. I had to say it. I will say it. Too much sexiness, man. So we'll come to the front and we have these McLaren logo shaped headlamps with the hood scoops and the McLaren logo in the front as well. Viper details. We have the top glass smoked in black color. Wow, the other side looks amazing as well, and the rear has micro USB charging. If you are a repeat viewer, then you might understand this joke. If not, you have to check the episode 1 and I will link it. I will give it on the here you can check it out here in the corner of the screen. There, here, yeah. So wow, the carbon fiber finish looks nice. I think it's carbon fiber finish, and the tail lamps look brilliant on this one with the diffusers and the metal spoiler. Pretty amazing car, man. Pretty amazing car. Look at the top view and the side view. So we'll move to the next car. I'll keep it aside. Okay, we'll keep it here. Oh wow. Wait. Oh, I love it. I don't know how much the camera is able to show you that this red color is such an exotic color. Even this one has the exotic 10 spoke wheels. Ooh, but the color, oh wow. Yeah, the logo could be hidden a bit, and tail lamp, the headlamps details are cool. The logo is cool. On the side we have the same thing, micro USB charging. Wow, even this looks nice. Side to side comparison. Yeah, I love both of these cars, both colors. This even has a smoked glass. I'm not sure if I'm able to give you a proper view into the details of the interiors, but it is pretty detailed, believe me. And I wish there was some way to show it to you. So pretty awesome cars. So these are said to be the successors of the McLaren F1. Yes, I have made a video of this as well. I'll give the link of this video in the description below. You can check it out. It is right below the like button. Yeah, so let's roll these cars first. Yeah, these roll pretty nice here. No wheel wobble as such. Okay, so McLaren P1 is a limited production high performance hybrid sports car produced by McLaren Automotive. Yeah, we all knew that. Give us something new, Khushal. Okay, so here is the new thing. So this was designed by Frank Stephenson, Paul Housey, and Rob Melville, if I'm pronouncing their name right. If not, please correct me. The P1 was unveiled at the 2012 Paris Auto Show and acted as McLaren's halo car. Now, I don't know what the halo car means, but I had read it on Hotwheels wiki, so I'm just saying it out here. So yeah, each unit of this car costs around, or approximation, or exactly to be precise, $1.15 million. How much? $1.15 million per car. That's crazy. The car is powered by a 3.8 liter McLaren M838 TQ twin turbocharged V8 engine, along with an electric motor mated to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. The car produces a combined power output of, wait for it, 903 horsepower. 903 horsepower. Okay, the car features a number of Formula 1 derived features such as an instant power assist system and a drag reduction system incorporated into the car's rear wing. All right, so you can see, I believe this is the thing that they are talking about. You can see this, it says they are incorporated. Maybe I think the dish, the scoop like wing is what they mean by that. And you have these huge diffusers to, to increase the downforce. You have the splitter in the front on both these cars, so that is there. So production began in October 2013 and ended in December 2015 with just 375 units produced in the whole wide world. Okay, to maintain the exclusivity, like as if I was going to buy this car, as if you were going to buy this car, as if we all were going to buy this car. And actually, some way we bought these cars. See, I have two of McLarens. What color is your Bugatti? What color is your McLaren? I have two colors, and maybe three if you add this one. Alright, so this was it from this video, and this was the final episode of the Hot Wheels Recolor episode series from Khushal GT. If you haven't already checked out the previous 4 episodes, it is there in the playlist called HW Recolors, and you can check out all these 4 videos. They are amazing videos. They are full of excitement, they are full of knowledge, they are full of recolors, they are full of Khushalness to it. You can watch it, you can watch them if you're not sleepy, if you can watch them if you're bored, you can watch them if you're in a metro, you can watch them if you're traveling somewhere, you can watch them if you're on a plane, you can watch them if you are too tired to watch any series, or if you can, you know what, I have an idea. If you have a girlfriend or a wife who is interested in cars, you can both binge watch this whole series on a Sunday, sitting on a couch and chill out, right? You can do that. You should do that. Somebody should do that. Tag me in that post. Let me know what do you think of this series, and also let me know if that works out for you. Okay, so yeah, this was the series, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yes, definitely I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting. I am talking too much now. I will leave you right here with these 2 beautiful cars. Also this car. Why not? Yep, that's it.